Yeah.
Okay guys, we are now learning math first.
Ms. Martin,
Yes.
can I use the bathroom?
Okay Rosie, come back quickly.
Okay. I'm going to pull the fire alarm, ha 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 ha.
Rosie, is that true that you pulled the fire alarm?
Yes I did.
Hello, Caillou's parents.
What happened to Rosie?
He just pulled the fire alarm.
Let's go home, Rosie. You're in big trouble right now.
Ooh ooh. Rosie, how dare you pulled the fire alarm at school? That is it.
You are grounded for
Walla 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 walla.